Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis here. Welcome to my channel. It is such an exciting month, Christmas in July. If you haven't caught the July 1st video, you do need to go over there and catch it. Enter, because we only have, 9 days left. And we'll be pulling winners for the big mega subscriber giveaway. Anyway, all right, so I'm excited about that. And today I'm also excited about the Christmas planner series that we're doing. And we're doing part 8B today. And that is because we are working on the page layouts for the journal. And since I'm in the collab with Jessica Huffman in Paper Terrace, we're doing a fun collab for base pages and ideas for your journals. They don't have to be for Christmas. They can be for any time, any journal, any theme, but it's just the idea of how to decorate the page, how to create the page layout with different prompts. And the first 4 that we've done so far, starting on July 15th, I did in part 8A, which was yesterday. That included the pocket, that included the hidden. So that is something else that we did. It included the frame, and it included using an envelope. Today we're going to do door, flip, multiple, and window. Now, the interpretation of using the prompt is different for everyone, but it's just the idea of using that type of page layout to create something, for your journal. So we're gonna get into it. We're gonna do each one, and so we'll be doing days for the December daily part of the planner journal mashup. We're gonna do day 5, 6, 7, and 8 today. To be able to do all of that, I have to speed up the creation of the page. So you'll see me working on that, but I won't be giving a lot of measurements and specifics. So if you do need those, we can always come back and do a single video on those different types of pages. All right, let's get into it. Also, let me just mention, I have a freebie printable. If you're interested, you can email me at cindy@cindyalewis.com. And I have Christmas words. So we have some light greens in the background with your Christmas words, and then a dark. And then you have the black letters and the white letters. I have green or red. So if you want red, you can email me and tell me red, please. Or if you want green, tell me green, please. You don't have to say please, but anyway, cindy@cindyalewis.com. Just email me. And I don't know how long I'll leave those free, but get them while you can. All right, this is the journal. We've got our prompts in here ready for days 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not going to go over those, but we are going to work on 5. Now, all the designers, all the participants in this collab, it's not really it's not a challenge, it's a collab, are so wonderfully talented. So I do want you to try to visit those channels, see them on Instagram, see them on your YouTube channel. I've linked them in my first video of the July 15th where the base pages started, and then I'm linking the 4 that we're doing today. So what we're going to do is make a door on this page. We're going to use both pages for the December 5th date, but we're probably just going to decorate this page or embellish this page. And so I'm going to get started with that. This is by Raven Vintage. So I do recommend you check her out. Check her out on Instagram. She does a lot on Instagram. You'll love her if you don't know her already. Okay, well, let's get going. Okay, so day 5 is door. So I put a little brad for a door handle like Raven did, like Kathy did at Raven Vintage. I actually tried to draw in a couple of little hinges because I don't have any. And you saw that I covered up the brads, and then we put this time card in here to write on, and that'll be great. And then this side I can add to for day 5. So that's door. Thank you, Raven Vintage 2778. That's her YouTube channel, for the great idea. So next we'll do day 6, and day 6 is flip. And you are going to love how simple and easy flip is. And we are going to put it on this side so that we can see it good. But I want to use some red ink on this one too. So I'm going to ink that up. And then I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a flip. So flip is day 6, so we need to put December 6th up here, and then we're gonna have to add, it is from Black Whisper Crafts, aka Bex, for day 6, the flip. What a great idea. You could use anything that you would like to use to make your flip. It doesn't have to be a circle. It could be a doily. It could be anything. But behind here, I just have hidden some tags and embellishments that can be used for, you know, writing on, journaling, and everything. All right, so day 7 is multiple. And day 7 has multiple things. So we're going to put it here. But multiple is multiple pockets, multiple envelopes. It's your interpretation of multiple. So I'm just going to work really fast to create a few things to go on here to make a spread for this page layout, but you could add whatever you want. And multiple is a really great design by Let's Design Creative. Multiple, here you have an envelope, another envelope, a belly band. I made this one a belly band also, so it'll go all the way through to the bottom. Pretty awesome. And then I also made a place here for this one to go in right there. Got a journaling card here to go in this envelope, which we'll just do that. A journaling card here to go in this one. And get that one in there. And then I've got a journaling card here to go here and a tag to go here. And I would say this is multiple. Look at that. Is that awesome? Okay. All right. And then let's design, had this idea. So let's design creative. Make sure you go check her out. I'm just going to put that right here. And then we've got to put day 7. We've got one more day. Promise to make it quick. And we're going to move on over to the center page. We have to do the center page, right? So we're going to use a tag. We're going to use a junk mail envelope, or if you just have any kind of window envelope, we're going to decorate the pages and put the window in there. So let's do that. All right, I just made a Kentucky Crafters window suggestion, a really quick one, just to end the video, but we're just gonna put that on here for the base pages, PT for that. So that's really cool. Let me put this down a little bit, because this opens up and you can take out and journal or whatever you like to do. So, and then this tag can slide over so you can see it. There you go. But anyway, all right, so I hope you enjoyed all these suggestions. Really fun ones from all the creators. Just really fun to see the different ideas that everybody comes up with, and I hope you enjoyed it tonight. So your trivia question for the day is, all right, in Rockin' Around the Christmas Tree, everyone's dancing merrily. How? The answer's on the next slide. I hope you enjoyed this. So thanks so much for watching.